Today judgment was pronounced in Special CC 565 of 21, in which Yogesh Gowda was murdered on 15/6/2016. 15/6/2016. In that case, the investigation was taken out by the state police, Dharwad State Police, and subsequently they filed the charge sheet assailing the A1 to A6 as an accused in that case. Subsequently, this case was transferred to CBI, and CBI conducted the investigation and filed charge sheet against A1 to A21. And this honorable court, after conducting the trial, convicted the A2 to 16, 18 and 19 for 302. And conspiracy also, and also for the destroying the evidence, for screening the offenders, real offender. And subsequently today sentence was passed. Double life imprisonment was given to accused A2 to 16, 18. And against A19, who was the circle inspector of the police, against him the offence was charged with respect to the destroying the evidence and screening the offender. For him, the 17-year rigorous imprisonment was given. And apart from that, almost together 12,50,000 fine was imposed, and 16 lakh compensation was given to the party, to the victims' children and Gurunath Gowda. So here the CBI has taken a lot of effort to bring the truth before the society, and our honorable court has granted justice to the society, and real culprit was punished. So we are all happy. It is an effort of our CBI team, including our SP, directors, all directors, additional directors, our JD, SP. Everybody had gave us a full support, and also full supports. And apart from that, our team also helped day and night to get the conviction in this case. And we got the conviction, and it is a victory of actual society.
Madam, what are the challenges you have faced in the whole trial?
Because in this case, challenges what we face in this case is that many witnesses has been threatened not to tell truth before this court. So we are behind everybody who are threatening the witnesses. We had given protection to them. And apart from that, no, they are not allowing to come to court to speak the truth. They are being briefed by these accused persons. So we gave the confidence that if you, we took them as a confidence, and they spoke truth before this honorable court. And ultimately we got the result, which you all know. We got the conviction.
Madam, how many years he has to spend in jail?
What message gives this case to society?
That justice is rendered. Message is passed that even though whoever tried to hush up the real fact, it will come one day. And the truth will never die.
Madam, how many years he has to spend in the jail?
2019, who? Accused persons.
Till his natural death.
Till their life.
Till his life.
Rest of the life they have to be in jail.
It means it's not only 14 years.
No.
Till life,
No.
till their natural life, they have to be in jail. Till their death,
Yes.
they have to be in
Yes.
jail.